How to make money online at home 2020 any country using free tools and free method. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a passive income. You can make up to $100 per day or more from any part of the country or any part of the world. It doesn't matter as long as you have the internet and a smart device and laptop is enough. I'm going to cover all the free tools and the method how you can use to make money online. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon. Don't forget to like our videos. If you want to win a £10 PayPal money, watch the video until the end. Also, we make videos on money making, money saving and tutorials. We upload one video every other day, so don't forget to subscribe and like our video. In this video I'm going to cover how to pick a niche and find the relevant questions or find the relevant places that you're going to promote it, and pick articles, and building a free landing page, and number 5, how to promote it for free. So watch the video until end to learn how you can make money, passive income all the day, every single day. So you go to Google and type top searches niches on the search bar and bring this first search result. Down here they talk about the 10 different niches that people are searching every single day. You can say fitness, health, dating and relationship, pets and self-improvement, wealth and building and investing, and make money on internet and beauty and treatment and others bunch of stuff. But you're gonna pick one niche, but in this video I'm gonna pick make money on internet or make money online. So we're gonna promote a product similar to that and earn commission from it. It's a basic affiliate market. You're gonna earn passive income through affiliate marketing. So what I did now, I find my niche which I want to promote my product. Now I have to find a relevant questions. The best way to do that is go to Quora and type make money online, and it will filter if it will bring this one, and if you type click, so for example make money online is a general search term, then if you press answer, these are the relevant questions people post in the past hours or past couple of days, so you can answer it. So for example, how can I as a teenager earn money on Instagram? So this is not relevant because affiliate marketing is also similar to that. So who do you like makes leave that question. How do I use leave that question also. How can I make extra money online for free? These are the questions you can only 3 people answer, and this question posted I think it's 7 hours ago. So what you can do, you can go a bunch of questions, but you are not going to spam them with your affiliate marketing link, because Quora will you ban for 2 weeks. You can't post anything on Quora. So I'm going to show you the method that you can avoid that. So what you have to do, go to Google and type simple way to make money online or how to make money online or ways to make money online. So you bring a bunch of articles written by other websites. So this is a website savethetudent.org. Here they talk about 40 easy way to make money online. So what I did, I just opened the article and picked the first best 12 headline. I don't want to copy and paste the article because it belongs to them. So we don't want to get any issue into that. So what I did is I type 12 easy way to make money quickly. Then I put 12 different titles. So for example, online surveys, gig on Fiverr, affiliate marketing here. This is the product, so you have to include that. After that, on the bottom of the list, these are the best lists that you can make money from home. I made passive income using affiliate marketing. Watch the video that you can earn passive income, where you're gonna put your landing page URL, not your affiliate offers, because Quora doesn't like your affiliate link. So what we did is we find our niche, we find our article, we find our summarize and written our article. Now we need to find a affiliate offers. So 2 places that you can go to find the affiliate offers. First, ClickBank. And ClickBank, you can go and search for affiliate marketing or make money online. The best one is don't register any affiliate marketing cost. You can promote it, you can earn up to $500 in commission. But if we don't want that, we're gonna go with this lowest ticket item now. But ClickBank is not available in the most countries, so you can go to this website called Digistore24. It's a free, and worldwide you can go and create a free account with them. On here I want to promote this one. It's called $500 per day with modern affiliate marketing. This is the product. It's only at $27. There's an upsell, but it's only a price at $22.78. It's $27. It's in euro, and I can earn commission around 15 euro in commission, 75 commission for that. So it's best price, and everyone can afford $27 rather than promoting a course that gonna cost more than $900. So I'm gonna promote that. So what you have to do now is we have to build a landing page for that. So that's why we have to go to website like bookmark.com. I already made a video in the past. I don't want to go in the deep how you can build a landing page. If you want, I can make a detailed video, but bookmark.com is going to use your AI to build your landing page or website. Then you can play around afterward and rearrange the design in order to build it. So here, this is my landing page. You're going to look like so modern affiliate marketing, which is the title of this affiliate marketing product. Here I'm gonna put that here, and I will get all the information. I get it from this here. You can see all the information is provided here. So what I did, I just copy and pasted here, and I put this is a limited time only 25 seats available out of 100. Make them take action immediately. And I also said if you want the affiliate marketing ebook, subscribe to our link. So you can find PLR ebook on PLR website, and you can give it to them for free. So they're going to put the email address, and they're going to click the watch this video. It will take the landing page. So if I see that this is the finalized landing page, you can see. So they can put the email address, subscribe, it won't take to any places, and automatically if they subscribe for the free ebook, then you can use the email to promote other affiliate offers. But when they click watch the video, and it will automatically take them to the landing page of the ClickBank of the affiliate offers. Here you can see they will do the rest of the work. They will convince the buyers to make a purchase or not. But this is how you can build a landing page for your affiliate offers, because once you build a landing page, it's easy to promote it in all the social media because without getting banned. So now what you do, copy the URL code for your landing page and put it in your article here. Now what you have to do is just copy that entire article and go to Quora and open that question that you want to answer. So how can I make extra money online for free? So click open this new tab and answer the questions. Or you can do this like answer here, and you can submit your answer and submit it. That's it, because Quora will follow your link and identify if this is not a spam link or affiliate marketing link. So if there's no issue with that, you can repeat this pattern for lots of questions on Quora. Now what you can do is you can repeat the same thing on Twitter and search for hashtag make money online. These are the relevant posts posted by other creators. So what you can do, you can go and comment them, and you can say these are the 12 ways I use to make money online. Then you put this list and your landing page URL. People will click and come and see the affiliate offers. You repeat that on Facebook again. Go to join as many as Facebook groups and pages and post your article there with your landing page link. People will click and come and see the offers. Now like I said, these are all free tools. Bookmark is paid tools, but you can use the free versions. So you can use the custom domain, and you're going to use a free traffic method, which is Quora, Twitter, Facebook, and other free social media as a traffic source. Now it's up to you. You need to promote, you need to answer so many questions, you need to post this article into so many Facebook pages and groups and Twitter in order to get the traffic. Just don't think that you're gonna post one and people come click and buy it from this. No one happen, because you are using a free traffic method. Free means you need to put hard work for that. If it paid means you don't have to worry about that. So if you are using a free traffic method, you need to put hard work for that, which means you need to post this content every single day, every single hour. So not 24/7. Just spend 1 hour and find the questions and the post, then you promote that, post that this article, the small article here. So whenever the people click and buy your affiliate program, and you're gonna make commission for it. Now in this way you're gonna make a passive income, because when you post like this, post will be seen by viewers weeks later, months later, years later. If they buy it, you're gonna get that money for that, guys. This is one way that you can make money online at home 2020 any country without spending any money. So you can make money online without spending money using this free method, and this method I'm using it, so that's why I'm making this video. If you really like our video, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon, don't forget to like the video. Also, if you want to win £10 PayPal money, all you have to do again, subscribe, press the bell icon, like, and leave the comment I like this video and pick your PayPal address. When this video hit 100 like, I will do the giveaway in the next video. Until that, have a good day. See you in next video, guys.